Lightning protection. A lightning strike is a natural event which significantly affects all outdoor activities and can pose a risk if the right preventive measures are not considered. For many of us, fun begins with baseball games, football games, soccer games, lacrosse matches, theme parks, concerts, and a myriad of venues which have all experienced lightning strikes, while fans, as well as players, performers, operations and media have stood by helplessly. Each event is at the mercy of Mother Nature. The National Institute of Lightning Safety of USA, NLSI, insists that the meteorological phenomenon which affects outdoor sports events the most is the lightning strike. Structures where lightning strikes can easily occur or can have serious consequences due to their location. Permanently effective lightning protection system must be installed. This is where our dissipation array system, DAS, comes in picture. Lightning is an electric discharge that attempts to equalize voltage between storm clouds and the earth. The difference in polarity between the bottom of the cloud and the ground is the charge differential. When this charge differential is high, the cloud begins to form downward leaders, and objects on the ground begin to form upward streamers. A leader then connects with the streamer, giving lightning the path it needs to exchange charge between the earth and the cloud, thus discharging itself. DAS interrupts the formation of these upward streamers through point discharge, a phenomenon where a well-grounded point exchanges ions between the air and the ground. LEX-DAS technology was introduced in 1971. Since then, over 3,000 systems have been implemented worldwide, accruing over 40,000 system years. DAS has maintained a success rate of over 99%. When lightning threatens a building or a facility, the game or event itself is usually postponed, but it is often difficult to ensure the safety of tens of thousands of spectators. Although stadiums may employ a general evacuation plan, complete evacuation is often counterproductive for efficient lightning safety. Get a lightning protection system from LEC. Contact details. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email: info@legglobal.com. Website: www.lightningprotection.com. Contact number: 303-447-2828. LinkedIn: www.linkedin.com web link. Facebook: www.facebook.com web link.